Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MV's Code Guide. Today we are going to learn how we can convert plain text into handwritten characters. I will provide the plain text to the program and it will convert that plain text into an image file which will be having my handwritten characters somewhat like this. Okay, the most interesting part is that I am going to do this with just 2 lines of code. Yes, let's see how we can do this. So I am going to use this amazing library pywhatkit. Inside this pywhatkit, we have this function called text to handwriting function, which is going to solve the purpose. So let us try this out. For coding purpose, I'm going to be using VS Code IDE. You can choose any IDE of your own choice. To start the program, firstly, I need to install the package. So in the terminal, I have to write pip install pywhatkit, okay, and press enter, and I have already installed this, so it will be showing me that the requirement is already satisfied. If you have not installed, then it will not show like that. It will properly install and then show you the required output. Okay, now I have installed. As you can see, it is already a requirement already satisfied. Now I can proceed with the code. I just have to write 2 lines of code. First line will be importing the package to the program, so I'm gonna import pywhatkit as kit, okay, and then I'm gonna use kit dot text underscore to underscore handwriting, okay, and inside this function I need to specify the text I want to convert. So I will be writing this is the sample text, okay, and I will provide the path where I want to save the file. Suppose I want to save the file over here, so I will copy path and I will save here, and I will change this to this so that no error comes, okay. After copying the path, I also need to specify the name of my image file, so I'm gonna write image.png, okay, and we are done. Now I can run this and see the results. So let me run this from here. It will take some time and it will show me the result over here. An image file will be added which I can see from this side. Okay. Okay, now we are ready with the image. I will open it. This is the sample text and it is written in the handwritten characters. I want to add some new line characters so that this text shifts to the new line. So I will write like this and I will run this again. As you can see, 2 new line characters have also been added and now the text has been shifted 2 lines ahead. So this is the end of today's video. If you're having fun learning with me, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel MV's Code Guide. Please keep learning and keep supporting. Thank you.